my name is Jennifer. Oh wait, you already know my name. But anyway, we're on U.S. Airways Flight 3039 to Virginia.
Yeah, no, that sounds cute.
Ooh, let's see what's out there.
Yeah, we haven't left yet.
A lot of snow on the ground.
Yes. But we'll be leaving soon. And it's still blurring. I don't know if the camera can see that. But,
no, it can't.
But anyway, now you can see me better. So I will start to videotape when we take off. So, till then, bye. Can't do this too long, I'm afraid. The pressure will do something bad to my batteries, and the flight attendant said not to. Since I'm a teacher, I can't break the rules all the time. But I wanted to show you what it looks like out here before we go. And I will see you when we are in the air. Adios. Okay, so I'm breaking the rules. I'm breaking the rules. It's too interesting to resist. Above the clouds. The sun's a little bit too bright and I don't want to ruin my camera, but isn't that cool?
It's so beautiful outside today. We really ain't me snow.
One of the prettiest things I've seen in a while.
Raining or whatever.
Oh wait, that's a pretty thing. I saw it a few moments ago. Alright, back to the pretty clouds. Like you can jump on them and it would feel like a nice soft mattress.
Tells you the population and all that.
Alright. I'll go for now. I'm sure I'll be back soon. Now we're even higher than we were before. The clouds still look pretty nice. It's snowing below us, and it's sunny above us. Ooh, that was lame, but I'm lame. My ear just popped. That's kind of scary looking. Hopefully that doesn't blow fire at us. Say hi.
Hello.
So how are you feeling now that we're in the air and I took your window seat and now you have the aisle seat?
Downtrodden.
And we'll leave it at that.